Good afternoon, everyone. Steve Georgia here from Allendale's trading floor. It's May 14th. Kind of a quiet day for the grains to start off. We did have things start off a little lower this morning. Corn was down right away. Beans down sharply right away. But throughout the day, we ended up coming back. July corn up 2 cents today. December up just 1/4 cent. So December corn still hanging on to that $5 area. We keep finding some support as we continue through. But beans, not so much. We saw last week beans ended up taking out some pretty good support. We followed through today. We did get some more further selling. A lot had to do with some of these outside markets, which I'll get into in just a second. But we had the beans down 19 cents in July. November down 26.5. So very negative close yet. We did continue to break down below some support. We may see some further selling yet, but as of this afternoon, we've got some things that may change. First off, we're going to see our first look at conditions for corn, but we're also going to see where do we stand right now as far as being planted. Guys are expecting to see 86% planted for corn, 43% for beans. Our 5-year average is 66% in the corn, 24% for beans. So we look to still be ahead of pace. Something that could start to be talked about out there, in certain areas, the guys are concerned about this drier bias. And if you look out for the next couple weeks, it's going to remain dry. We've got some warmer temps coming in as well. So you look at the 2-week forecast; it's still dry for these areas, and looks like that it's going to warm up as well. So we may get some of this talk right now coming in of more supportive on the sense of dry weather. Is it going to be a big deal in the long term? Probably not. But short term here, $5 area for corn, very good support. It has been. We'll need to see if we do find more support from here. But we are looking for maybe a little bit of a bounce from these levels. But on beans, the chart just doesn't look good. More further liquidation, further selling pressure on beans. A lot of it has to do with the dollar being up 34 cents again, 80.74. We're back to some resistance levels right now. Crude oil down $1.60, 94.50. 93.40 is the December lows. So we're about $1 away from those December lows. Continue watching that. And the stock market breaking back 110 points. So a lot of this outside money is coming out of the markets. So we're seeing money flow come out. You look at where the funds are at right now, they've liquidated a lot of corn positions, but they're still sitting with a pretty big position for beans. And that's where we're starting to see them tighten up their positions, maybe selling a little bit more of those, and that's what's keeping beans right now under some pressure. Looking at the metals, with the dollar continuing to strengthen, the metals have broke back very hard once again. Gold starting the week off at down 23 bucks, silver down 65 cents. So the metals taking a hit again today. But something that's turned a little positive is the livestock. As we've been mentioning for the last few weeks, cattle down, hogs down. We're starting to see things change. Cattle up $1 today for June, 116.15. Box beef choice came in 87 cents higher. Select up 224. So good gains there. And we're expecting to see cash trade steady this week. Maybe with this box beef being up, can we see some more positive trade? Guys are expecting to see cash trade steady. So we'll see how that goes throughout the week. But pretty good gain here today. Looks to be stronger. And it followed through in the hogs as well. Hogs up 32 cents for June, 85.62. We have seen the cash market stabilize and turn around. Now we just need futures to do the same. We're starting to see that. We had a good close today. That 85.62, 85.50 for June hogs last week was their weekly high. So we did close above that. We're getting some positive chart movement as well. So we could start putting in more of a bottom in here. Those lows that we made, they do need to hold. But right now it looks pretty good. We could see that summer rally that we've been expecting, as long as this demand continues to stay strong, and we can push a little bit higher as well. So a lot of information I've thrown at you guys. Give us a call with any questions that you have out there. You can reach us at 800-262-7538 or check us out right there online at allendale-inc.com. Hope you guys had a great day today, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Take care.